Hey, thanks for joining me today. We're going to go over the coral stitch. I've got a size 22 chenille needle and 6 strands of embroidery thread. So I'm going to bring my needle up and through the fabric and lay the thread along the design line. Then holding on to that working thread, I'm going to bring the needle down through the fabric on the left side. Then with that little loop I created, I'll hold it with 2 fingers, then bring my needle up through the fabric through that loop, and I will pull it taut and then begin the next knot. So holding on to the fabric and the loop, keeping it taut against the needle, and then pulling the needle back down through the fabric once you've created your knot. I have actually never used this stitch on any of my embroidery patterns. I'm still trying to figure out a way to incorporate it into something, but it's a pretty cool way to add a line of knots with some cool texture. It's definitely a fun one you'll want to try out as well. Once you reach the end of your line, to end the stitch, you'll bring the needle down through the fabric right next to your last knot and tie a knot at the back of the fabric. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time.